I know you're probably asking, why am I doing this senior trekker thing? Well, you know, when I was a youngster, my late 50s, I used to operate by age denial. You know, I'm not old, I can do anything. And that worked really well till I hit my 60s and pain and knee pain and, you know, things just didn't work as well as they used to. The knee pain was really bad, and also a lack of energy. I'd lost that. You know, what happened? So, you know, I floundered around like that for a few years. Then I decided it's time to do something about that. So I started working out, which helped quite a bit, and then I found a remedy to my knee pain. So that really put me on track, and I thought, okay, I'm ready to conquer the world again. So soon after that, I decided I'm going to book a trip to Peru, go to Machu Picchu. That's on my bucket list. I can do that. Thing is, I went there, and I wasn't ready for it. It was much harder than I anticipated. And the first time I got there, you know, you stay in a town called Cusco, Peru, and you're supposed to acclimate there. Well, I didn't get enough water, and I just couldn't. I just got sicker and sicker. The altitude sickness set in, and so for about 3 days I felt terrible, and that kind of colored my whole hiking experience, you know, because I would go up the mountains and I just could not breathe. I had to push myself so hard that I felt like I pushed myself beyond my physical limits. And then I missed a hike because I was feeling so bad. But at the end, I did get to Machu Picchu. And for the longest time, I felt like I was a complete failure in that because I didn't do all the hikes. I felt bad. You know, I kind of slowed the group down. But the more I thought about it, you know, the only way you're a failure is if you don't try. And that's kind of my philosophy behind the senior trekker. You know, if you try, you can't fail. You know, you put in the effort, you did the best you could, and that's what counts. If you don't try, I think there is where you become the failure. So, all I have to say to you is get moving. You can do it.